And in this video, we're going to talk about the Business Manager and setting things up and why you need to have Business Manager. So before we talk about Pixels, it's crucial that you go ahead and create a Business Manager. And we'll talk briefly about it first before we go ahead and do that. And then of course, after that, I'm going to show you around the Business Manager to give you an idea of why it's so important. You should never log into your Facebook personal ad account. You should always create your Business Manager so that Facebook sees you as a business. Now, the good thing about Business Manager is it allows you to centralize all of your ad accounts, your Facebook pages, your Facebook pixels, and even give people access to certain pages, certain ad accounts that you might hire in the future. So if you have, let's say, for example, a Facebook ad specialist, you can give them read-only access, or you can give them campaign level access so that they can create ads for you. So just to give you an idea of Facebook Business Manager, if you go to facebook.com/business/tools/business-manager, you'll get a glimpse of why Facebook sees Business Manager as such an important tool. So as you can see, it says manage everything in one place. And it says control and share access to your pages and accounts and more. You can see what's going on. So you pretty much can do anything from the Facebook Business Manager. So as you can see, you can give existing permissions to certain pages, to certain accounts, to certain people. And what that allows you to do is protect your account. You see, back in the day when Business Manager was non-existent, you would have to literally give people your own personal Facebook account. So this is a great way to kind of bypass that. So in terms of security, you don't have to do that. So what I recommend you do is go ahead and create an account and then go to business.facebook.com, which is over here. And you'll see a blue button that says create business. And then of course you'll see this right here. So all you have to do is simply put the name of your business or account name, your business email, and click next. Once you do that, you have created your business and then we can log in. Okay, so once you create your Facebook Business Manager, you're going to see something like this. Now, I've blurred out some private information, but you'll kind of get an idea. But on the left side where it says people, you can click that. And then of course you can invite either people that you outsource Facebook ads to. You can invite your virtual assistant to have access to certain pages and so forth. So pages, you can create pages, ad accounts, you can create more ad accounts. And then of course, pixels down here, you can create additional pixels. Now bear in mind that each ad account has its own pixel, but pixels down here will allow you to create a pixel, which thereby you can share it with different businesses. Now up at the top left-hand corner where it says business settings, if you click that, you will be able to get a bigger menu of Business Manager. So for example, Ads Manager will allow you to create ads. Audience Insights will allow you to kind of get an idea of who to target. We've got pixels down here. We've got page posts and a lot more. So the most of you will typically use Ads Manager, audiences. So you can create custom audiences, which basically means you can create segments of people maybe that visited your page, or you create a different audience of people who purchased your product, or people that visited the add to cart but did not purchase, and then you could perhaps show a retargeting ad to them and things like that. So this is kind of just a glimpse of why Business Manager is so important. With that said, let me show you how to get access to your pixel or even create a pixel in the next video.